The SIG MCX is a family of firearms designed and manufactured by SIG Sauer, produced in both selective fire and semi-automatic only models, and features a short-stroke gas piston system, which is inherited from the earlier SIG MPX submachine gun. The MCX is available in rifle, carbine, short-barreled rifle, and pistol configurations. The rifle was adopted in 2022 by the United States Army as the XM5 to replace the M4 carbine in military service. The SIG MCX was first introduced at SHOT Show 2015. The rifle was originally designed by SIG USA, the subsidiary of SIG Sauer based in New Hampshire. In 2016, SIG recalled some of the rifles that had the first-generation bolt carrier group. A SIG MCX was used in the 2016 Orlando nightclub shooting, which at the time was the deadliest mass shooting in U.S. history, now second to the 2017 Las Vegas shooting. The SIG MCX series features a short-stroke gas piston system to reduce recoil and improve the reliability of the weapon. This was based on the design of the earlier SIG MPX. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.